Bullet Mustang Package, Handling Package, Mustang GT, 2D Coupe, 4.6L V8 SOHC 18V, and 4-speed automatic with overdrive. Wild Horses. Detroit Muscle. If you've been yearning for just the right 2001 Ford Mustang, well, stop your search right here. This is the perfect, fully loaded car that is guaranteed to spoil you with all its features. New Car Test Drive said. Suspension and handling make for a fast, racy ride. But it's not sophisticated. This is part of the charm and we love it. Driving a Mustang can put a smile on your face. This rare Mustang would look so much better pulling up in your driveway instead of sitting here unappreciated on our lot. Your neighbors might be jealous, but they'll get over it. Or maybe not. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2001 Mustang 4 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality design. Don't close the deal till sunset.